Alright guys, this is what we're working with here. This is piston for my 6.0. It's only been in here about 30 minutes. I've used some of these pads a little bit on them and some brushes. Little Harbor Freight parts washer. I got another one going. It's been soaking. Hadn't really touched it with a brush yet, but I've seen all kinds of stuff on YouTube. Different ways to clean pistons and bury them in chem tool and stuff like that. This is what they look like before they go in. And all I'm using is about half a gallon of the Harbor Freight Degreaser. I think it's like $5 a gallon or something like that at Harbor Freight, but works pretty good for me for the carbon buildup and everything. Just thought I would share that for some other people that looking for a little bit cheaper of a way to go. All right.